Ka Music Department jung ka Regional Institute of Advanced Studies ka khot ka weria baro ki riu don sap ha ka ne ka shlem a jingi kai ha ka put ka tem ka ruai ka siaw bat ki wei de ki jingi kai ki be de bat ka put ka tem kani ka jaka a jingi kai ka don ha diwan nong tulu hajan ka yo umdan riphoi district ya ki jing tip ki ba khapnya phila ban shufun hau neu number harum khandai riu wei rr riu sau khandai sau nyo.
What I have learned in my political career, Mr. Speaker, sir, is that we can argue passionately for the modernizations, passionately for the realism that compromise without which the idealism is impossible. But what I'm feeling nowadays, I'm really feel deeply denial of the central fact, very reluctant false visions of the future, economic danger and risk, perhaps maybe soft power. The third referendum that might embrace the benevolence of our country. What I'm worried about is the following. It is not just to express the differences, but in a dangerous sense. They intensify indifference by converting them to take their own, you never know, the religion or own system. Therefore, there might be a messiness in the politics, Mr. Speaker, sir. The moderations that they are trying to compromise, ultimately in realism, we might not try to get as much as what we fear. Nowadays, I'm seeing, especially even in the MGNSC sector, we are a Christian state, Mr. Speaker, we are a Christian state. But yet, on the day of our holiday, Sunday, the MGNSS was supposed to be only 30 days of men days, 100 days of men days, which was supposed to be covered. But without Sunday, we could have covered. But now itself, the central government is pressing us that even on Sunday also, you have to take the photo and then give it. Now itself, they are suppressing. That day, also, Mr. Speaker, sir, in our CPA meeting, which was held on Sunday, because of Sunday I didn't come. It doesn't mean that I don't want to come. But since it was held on Sunday, I do not want to compromise, not because I'm a holy, but at least I have to respect the sentiments and the emotions of the Christian. Now itself, they are trying to press us. Everything, it seems like they are trying to do it on Sunday, holy day. One of the saddest part is that even on Christmas, they started taking a picture for the wages somewhere in Rongjang side. So I would like to impress upon our government, at least being the Christian state, we should restrict Sunday even on taking the pictures for the wages. We can cover 100 mandates because we have got 365 days. Not necessarily that you have to take a picture on Sunday. So these are the areas that I'm scared, Mr. Speaker, sir. By chance, if they pass, what will happen to us? Such civility, this is the only civility where the important issues can be discussed. I lazily assume, despite the superficial differences between the ruling and the opposition, but reflecting upon issues, it's too prejudiced. In reality, using the rules and the framer of the constitutions, being the legislator, I would like to speak held upon the government right now. We should not remain exciting about any kind of act or any kind of issues that is being passed by the center. We should check and balance. We should not be cowardly incompetent enough, which will profoundly diminish us, our sectarian. Democratic government reflects their own people, respect the neighbor, free from well-being, peace. Democracy would bring us properly security, overcome sectarian violence, ensure that the state will not harbor those which we don't need.